Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Edge Panel on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1, unlock your phone and open Settings app. This is where you'll find all customization options for your device. Step 2. Now, locate search icon in top right corner and tap on it. Type Edge Panel into search bar. Step 3. Next, check search results, find Edge Panel option, and tap on it. Then tap on it one more time. Step 4. Now locate Edge Panel option. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Tap option to enable it. Step 5. For last and most important step, you can access it anytime by swiping from edge of screen. If you want to adjust how far Edge Panel appears or where it shows up on screen, you can tweak these settings from Edge Panel menu. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.